Welcome to Upkeep's Quickstart package, the perfect solution to quickly get your maintenance program up and running. With our dedicated implementation manager, you will receive guidance and assistance setting up standard features, data migration, and a 1-hour team training session. The implementation process is estimated to be completed in under 4 to 5 days per site, ensuring a fast and efficient implementation. This package is perfect for teams looking to streamline their maintenance workflows and maximize the benefits of using Upkeep. Our standard features include configuring and setting up Upkeep's work order and work request workflow, which can help streamline maintenance management for one-time work orders and work requests. Our expert implementation managers will also assist with system and data migration for locations, assets, and users, ensuring a smooth transition to Upkeep's platform. We understand that the success of your implementation depends on more than just having the right tools. That's why we follow a proven implementation methodology, which is designed to ensure a smooth and successful deployment of Upkeep. Our methodology is divided into 5 main phases. In the project kickoff phase, we introduce the project team and define roles and responsibilities. We identify the system requirements in the system requirements phase and prepare for data migration. In the build phase, we configure the system to meet the defined requirements and migrate data. In the project finalize phase, we conduct user testing and review all project deliverables. In the change management phase, we prepare the team for training and deliver training content to ensure successful adoption of the new system. By following this methodology, we have successfully deployed Upkeep across 4,000 customers, so you can be confident that your implementation will be a success too. Contact one of our experts to learn more about Upkeep's Quickstart package and how we can help set your team up for success.